This compact Aiworth recorder offers very large 136GB storage, making it practical for long-term lecture and meeting capture without constantly offloading files. Dual microphones and high bitrate recording give it impressively clear sound, so voices stay intelligible even in larger classrooms or conference rooms. The built-in rechargeable battery delivers long, continuous recording sessions, which is ideal for full days of classes, interviews, or depositions. Voice-activated recording helps conserve both storage and battery by only capturing when someone is actually speaking, reducing hours of empty room noise. A simple front-facing control layout and straightforward menus make it easy to operate even for people who are not comfortable with complicated gadgets. Security and playback extras like power-on password protection, adjustable playback speed, and integrated music playback round out a feature set that feels more like a dedicated professional tool than a basic recorder.